There are countless stars in the sky, then why is there so much darkness in the universe? Many mysteries of the universe remain unsolved, so are the stars, and the question is, when there are countless stars in the sky, why is there so much darkness? Olbers' paradox theory has found the answer to this question to a great extent. Let's try to understand what this theory is. You may have tried to count the stars in your childhood, but you cannot do it even if you want to. In fact, there are 3,200 solar systems in the universe. There are countless stars in every solar system. The puzzle remains, when there are countless stars in the sky, why is there so much darkness in the universe? Many mysteries of the universe are still unsolved, such is related to the stars. In fact, celestial bodies made of gases in the sky are called stars. Due to nuclear reactions, they produce heat and light, which makes them appear to shine. They continue to form and break down in the universe. Then why is there darkness in the universe? Olbers' paradox theory has largely answered this question. What does Olbers' paradox theory say? Named after German astronomer Heinrich Wilhelm Olbers, the theory suggests that when the universe is infinite and full of stars in every direction, then the sky should be shining all the time. Then why it is dark? One distance in the stars. The paradox theory states that even though stars appear very close to the Earth, they are far away in the universe. Due to the distance between these stars and their distance from the Earth, the light of these stars becomes weak and they are unable to illuminate the universe, nor their light reaches the Earth. To expansion of the universe. It was also told in this theory that our universe is constantly expanding. Due to this, the light of the stars located in the galaxy which is far away from the Milky Way is redshifted, that is, the wavelength of their light becomes longer, which changes the form of light and it is not visible to us. This expansion causes light from distant stars to turn red and disappear due to the Doppler effect. This expansion reduces the energy of the lights, making the darkness seem greater. 3. Vacuum of space. The space between the stars in the universe is very vast. There is no such thing in these regions that can reflect light, so the light of the shining stars disappears for some distance. When we see stars in the sky, they are bright, but the space between them is completely empty or almost empty. This emptiness can be filled with dark matter and dark energy, which we cannot see directly. This dark matter and energy make up 95% of the universe. The stars, planets, and galaxies we can see make up only 5% of the total universe. 4. Soak up the light. There are also clouds of gas and dust in the universe, which absorb light coming from the stars, which reduces the light of the stars, which is not visible to our eyes. 5. Limited brightness of stars. Not all stars are as bright as the sun, they are also small and cold, due to which they have very little light, and not all stars shine together, and their formation and deterioration process is also for a limited time. 6. The age of the universe is limited. The universe is about 13.8 billion years old. This means that we can only see the light of the stars as far away as the light has had time to reach us. Stars or galaxies that are far away are out of our range of vision. 7. Sources of illumination are limited. Even though there are many stars in the universe, their location is very sparse. The space between them is vast and empty. This emptiness is the main cause of darkness. 8. Cosmic background radiation. The universe is not completely dark. If you can see in radio waves, there is a microwave background, CMB, present throughout the universe. This radiation is a relic from the time of the Big Bang and tells us that there was energy everywhere at the beginning of the universe. Today this radiation has become so cold, about 2.7 Kelvin, that it is impossible to see it with the naked eye. 9. Limitations of light's travel. The speed of light in the universe is a limit. Many stars and galaxies are so far away that their light has not yet reached us, because the age of the universe is limited. This gives rise to the definition of the observable universe. The area outside it will always be dark for us. 10. Dark energy and the future of the universe. Scientists believe that dark energy is accelerating the expansion of the universe. This means that over time, distant galaxies will become so distant from us that their light will never reach us. There may be a day when the sky will become even darker, because only the stars of our own galaxy will be visible. 11. Ancient Indian approach. In ancient Indian philosophy, the darkness of the universe has been considered as a symbol of Maya or infinity. In the Vedas, it is described as unmanifest, which cannot be seen, and infinite, which has no limits. This darkness signifies the boundary between our known and unknown. 12. Effect of the life and death of the stars. When stars die, they become either supernovae or black holes. Black holes also absorb the light around them, increasing the darkness. In addition, the process of new stars is slowing down, so the universe may become even darker in the coming time. 13. Our vision and technology. With new telescope technology, such as the James Webb Telescope, we can see far into the universe. This tells us that there are countless secrets hidden behind the darkness as well. Maybe, in the future, we will also be able to discern the darkness that we now consider empty. How do the stars shine? Stars are celestial bodies in the universe that are formed from gases. They are so hot that the temperature between them can be thousands and millions of degrees. Because of this, hydrogen atoms collide with each other to form helium. It generates energy that shines as light. From the center of the stars, this energy reaches the surface and spreads in the form of light. Apart from this, the gravitational balance is also the reason. In fact, this force pulls the star inwards and the energy goes outwards. This increases the brightness of the stars. According to scientists, the brightness of the stars depends on the temperature inside them. What color do the stars shine in? More hot stars appear blue or white. If the temperature is moderate, they can appear yellow, such as the Sunday. If the stars are cold, they are red, such as Betelgeuse. The darkness of the universe is a wonderful mirror, which makes us realize not only our limitations, but also point us towards the infinite possibilities of knowledge. There are countless aspects associated with the depth and darkness of the universe. Let's take a deeper look into these. Black holes hidden in the darkness. There are many black holes in the universe, which also capture light and are not visible to us. These are the most mysterious and powerful bodies in the universe. Supermassive black holes are found at the center of galaxies and their gravity swallows up the surrounding light and matter. Dark matter. Dark matter is an invisible substance that makes up a large part of the mass of the universe. We can't see it, but can feel its gravitational force. The effect of dark matter is seen in the motion of galaxies and the large-scale structure of the universe. Dark energy. Dark energy is a mysterious force accelerating the expansion of the universe. It makes up 68% of the universe. Scientists are still trying to understand where this energy comes from and why it is so powerful. The death of the stars. When stars reach the end of their lives, they turn into white dwarfs, neutron stars, or black holes. These old stars create more darkness in the universe because they no longer give off light. The dark areas between the stars are filled with these dead stars and gas. What was there before the Big Bang? The question itself is mysterious. The universe before the Big Bang was dark and unknown. Some scientists consider it to be zero energy or quantum fluctuation, while philosophers view it as basic darkness. Cosmic time. Darkness is also a symbol of cosmic time. The formation of stars, the formation of galaxies, and eventually their disintegration all happen very slowly of time. Over time, the universe will become even darker and colder. This condition is called heat death. Structure of space and time. There is not only emptiness in the darkness. Space and time are like a fabric itself. These traps can be distorted by gravitational waves, which we saw for the first time only recently, in 2015. Such deflections are also part of the mysteries hidden in the darkness. The Great Attractor and the big mysteries of the universe. Astronomers have detected a mysterious region called the Great Attractor. It is a massive, invisible source of gravity, pulling our galaxy and many surrounding galaxies towards it. This area is hidden in very deep darkness. Idea of the multiverse. Could the darkness of the universe be a sign that there are more universes, multiverse, outside our universe? Some scientists believe that darkness may be a curtain, behind which universes with different physics and laws of time may exist. Indian view, Mahablas. In Indian philosophy, darkness has been called great emptiness, which is the state before creation. This is considered to be the state of Brahman, where everything exists in an invisible form. This darkness is part of the cycle of creation and destruction. Are we alone? The darkness of the universe also raises the question of whether we are alone in this infinite space. Scientists are looking for radio signals and other clues in dark areas to find signs of life. The discovery so far shows that the universe is so vast that there must be life somewhere. Spiritual outlook. Darkness should not be seen only negatively. In India and many other cultures, darkness symbolizes meditation and a depth of enlightenment. It is seen as the state from which illumination, light, is produced. The darkness of the universe is not an emptiness, it symbolizes the countless mysteries, possibilities, and endless journey of science and philosophy. This darkness is as scary as it is inspiring. It reminds us to understand our place and to be humble to infinity. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. Thanks.